Hello again. Quite a few false starts this morning. I was going to come down to the observation deck and have a fly, but when I got down there it was too windy, so I came back home again and did a load of stuff at home, and then went back out to go for my walk, and all the wind seems to have dispersed. So we're going to go down there now, see if we can have a fly. Now unfortunately, due to the weather, the rain and the high winds lately, I've not had a chance to have a fly, so it's kind of a bit of a practice. Don't know how it's going to come out. Won't be anything amazing like you see on certain YouTube videos where people are sort of flying around in circles in great sweeping gestures and cinematic moves. No, it's going to be more like, here I am, just flying along in a straight line and turning around and coming back again. Baby steps though. Got to learn, got to walk before I can run. But before we do any of that, here's the third and final picture in that set of the 3 trains taken on the same day in 1985. This time from someone stood up here much as I am now. Here you go. And I think I can hear a train coming now. I can. All together. Whee! Ah. Right, let's get up the observation deck. Right, so here we go. Observation deck. Yeah, it's a very slight breeze, but I think we'll manage. Let's see what happens. So I took off, as you can see, quite uneventful, pulled out over the seafront, and you see a seagull bottom left. He's immediately interested. Now he's squawking and attracting his friends. So there he is again next to me. Of course you can't hear the squawking because there's no microphone on the drone. So what you're actually hearing, the wind, is put in afterwards by me. So I try to get back onto the top there and land immediately. Unfortunately though, I've enabled sideways motion on my controller, which I'm not really used to yet. So I'm having a bit of difficulty bringing it in, especially with the wind. Can't quite get it lined up to get it where I need it to be to bring it into land. That's why I'm sort of jigging about. There's one up there in the top corner, and there's another one that's going to come in now, and here he comes. And he's coming for me. Alright, again, loads of squawking and that, but I've got control of it pretty much now. And I'm just sort of lining it up to come back and land into safety. There we are, I'm on the right side of the barrier now, and I'm bringing him down. So that was my seagull adventure. Well, I don't know what I caught of that, but not very successful. Immediately got attacked by 2 seagulls and a baby seagull. So I won't chance me luck. Going to go up into Mules Park so I can find somewhere a bit quieter up there. Perhaps I'll have a bit better luck up here. Nice big open space. No sign of birds. So I took off quite easily. No eventful problems at all. No birds. Very nice. Got up there. Turned around. Looked at Teignmouth. Oh, that looks nice. Enjoyed the view and thought I'd go up even higher to do a 360 photo for Google, which will be linked in the description. I started to get high wind warnings though at the moment, and I turned off the video mode after I pointed the drone down. You'll see me in a minute. First time, there we go, right in the middle. And let me tell you what happened. What happened was I got up and then I did a 360 photo for Google, which will be linked in the description. And after the photo it got rather windy. I started to get high wind warnings up at that altitude. I brought it down, but problem was that when I brought it down I couldn't get it back into video mode out of photography mode. So we call it a day now. Like I say, baby steps, get home, get rid of it, and go from there. Right, well there we go. After that somewhat different start, the clouds are forming, soon be with the liquid sunshine, and I'm back onto just my normal wander. no drones involved. So, what are my plans? Not a great deal, to be honest. It's a lot later than I'd like it to be, but I've been sent on a mission by Mum to get her Christmas stamps. So I'm going to head to the post office, get some Christmas stamps. But as I'm sure you know by now, if I just went straight to the post office and bought the stamps, this wouldn't really be real Sloan Timber, would it? So I'm going to go off along the seafront and take the long route. Had the sausages, eggs and chips yesterday, me and Mum, from the sea view there behind the bus. Absolutely lovely. Ring them up. Yeah, 10 minutes, mate. Hop down, bish bosh, jobs are good. Lovely. This is all looking better already, actually. Remember when I walked down here after the storm? Nearly all those bricks were off. Now at least they've been put back in place, even if they're not fixed down. Well, that wasn't a completely wasted session with the drone earlier. Because like I say, I do need to try and get some practice in. I've hardly had a chance to fly it since I got it. It's only my second sort of proper time out. But baby steps, I'll get there. Like a load of giant drawing pins there. Thumbtacks, for those of you not in England. Thumbtacks, drawing pins. Yeah, so this is why I couldn't do much with the drone. Marina Court. Here we go, new potholes starting to form up where the barriers are at the end of the top of the seafront, where they stop the traffic from parking in the summer. Halula Bar and the view as we make our way around to go to the post office and get these stamps. Longest walk to the post office ever. Artworks in the pavilions. The cinema, or was the cinema. There we go, there's the post office. Don't mind getting on now because there shouldn't be too long of a wait. I've come down here at Christmas sometimes to do stuff, and the queue's out the door, right down around the corner there. Pizza place has had the window smashed, and that wasn't too bad in the post office. Took quite a while, but yeah, got the stamps for her, so she'll be happy, and that's what matters. Now I just plan a uneventful trot into Lidl's just to get milk. I will get bread as well, but there's little point. I won't be having any today because it's curry night. So I'll be eating my curry tonight. That'll be my meal for the day. And if I wait till tomorrow to get the bread, all good. It's fresher. Still standing. Lidl's. There we go. We have the milk. We have those sponge puddings for Mum that she wanted me to get more of. We've got our stamps, so that was successful. Less successful with the flying, but like I say, it's all a process, no need to rush. Hopefully there'll be another calm day soon with a few more friendly seagulls as opposed to the ones this morning. And with that, love you and leave you. Thanks for watching. Short one tomorrow probably because I've got my chiropractor, but all good. See you then. Bye.